Hi, I'm Vidya. I'm an architect and urban planner. And what I really like about IKEA is that people buy their products because they are affordable, accessible, and look good. But they also have a host of benefits hidden under the surface, such as they score high on sustainability, offer mass customization, and are easy to assemble. Now imagine a prefab engineered bamboo wall as the IKEA of walls. Its benefits would include the fact that bamboo can capture 6 times more carbon than trees can. And unlike trees, they mature in 3 to 5 years and can be harvested annually for 40 years. In contrast to traditional burnt clay bricks that consume millions of tons of topsoil every year, bamboo has the capacity to regenerate degraded land and can be grown in most conditions. This material and technology change to prefab bamboo walls can create millions of green jobs, rural jobs, jobs with higher wages and safer and healthier working conditions. What do we want from a wall? Is that it should have all of these properties. Existing prefab walls, despite all their benefits, have barriers of access and affordability, as well as application, such as that they may need trained workforce or cranes. In any case, the prefab walls that exist in the market, even the ones that have a high thermal performance, they are not made using bio-based materials. And so they will end up adding to future construction and demolition waste. Meanwhile, other countries are developing energy efficient walls that are thinner, lighter, more durable, and made with bamboo. And they actually have to import the bamboo. So our aim should be to make in India with Indian bamboo. Especially since there have been several successful pilot projects built completely with bamboo, why is it that it's not popular yet? The lack of mainstream interest is due to a perception issue that bamboo isn't a high-tech modern material, that it's only meant for ecotourism resorts, but not for urban apartments. Secondly, even if there were a demand, we don't already have enough of the right species and quality of bamboo. Most of the bamboo harvested today is what grows wild in the forest, and a lot of this is used for relatively low value products. To address the perception issue, we plan to introduce a modern engineered bamboo wall that will make bamboo a viable choice for walls in urban homes. So next month, we're going to apply to what is called the Asha India program, where we will get help with testing and certification to develop a prototype by the end of this year. Now, regarding the issue of raw material, my teammates from Artisan Agrotech have been working on agroforestry with farmers in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, selling them seeds, helping with intercropping, and promising to buy back the bamboo. But this won't be anywhere near enough. Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh have 5.7 million acres of degraded shrubland on the fringe of their forests. We are asking the state departments to engage local tribal communities to grow and harvest bamboo on these lands as a community forest resource. And when the bamboo is matured, we can buy it back from them just as we do with the farmers. In 2022, we will request that our prototype be shortlisted as a lighthouse project, similar to this year's examples that you can see on my screen. So how far can this go? We predict that by 2030, over 300 million tons of carbon will be captured by planting bamboo on 4 million acres of land. And that's accounting for the above ground biomass alone. This bamboo engineered into walls will replace 10 to 20% of demand for bricks, which is projected to be 500 billion bricks by 2030, which in itself has several positive ripple effects. All this can create 3 million green jobs for both skilled and unskilled workers and add a livelihood security for farmers and forest dwellers who will grow and harvest this bamboo. With me on this team are Naveen and Dipankar of Artisan Agrotech. They've been working to develop engineered bamboo products for a while now, and they'll be taking the lead on developing and piloting this prototype. Our shared goal is to help farmers double their income per acre by 2030 and also establish bamboo as a quality, energy efficient, and green building material.